そうみんな
美味しそうでもそれ。
オッケーオッケー。
Wow, have a great time, honey, and Elsa.
ラストなんで頑張ります。応援よろしくお願いします。
上げて、こう自分でこうやってピュッてして
3日目いっぱいお客さん呼んで SBC 世界に発信してる。もう
本日も頑張りたいと思います。よろしくお願いします。
そこを持ってここするときにこれをグッと上げる。3日目今日も頑張ります。
ステップボーンカットセミナー最終日、ステップボーンカットを世界へ、この舞台でメイクをさせてもらってるのはすごい嬉しいです。頑張ります。
今日最終日なんでみんなで力を合わせて、最高の動員を目指していきたいと思います。頑張りましょう。
磯部いいです。さゆりさんの声が出なくてかわいそうなんですけど、すごいこう微力ながら手伝いできればと思ってラストデーで、まあちょっと学生さんなんで楽しもうかなと思ってます。頑張ります。
Jag inte får det du har, kan inte gå och vänta länge. Nu kan vi tala med mig, men jag får inga svar. Även om det inte regnar, halleluja, så blir molnet av plats. Ta gärna med mig paraplyet bara ifall jag inte kommer kunna klara av din dom. Skjut mig i huvudet med en lugga, låt det klick.
Lovely and her hairstyles is very beautiful. She does good work, clean and precision, and I love it.
She has a very beautiful smile. And I like her technique. It was really interesting. Her videos are very...
It was a very, very good show. Learned a lot. She can transform looks. She's fabulous.
Alright, so we just finished the haircutting portion of the show, and it went really, really well. I enjoyed it a lot. It was very liberating to get rid of my hair, just bad energy, bring in the good energy, and we had a great crowd, and I loved it.
3日間お疲れ様でした。本当に感動しました。この歴史的な瞬間に一緒に立ち会えて僕も幸せです。ステップオンカット最高でした。
3日間楽しかったです。お疲れ様でした。大成功ですね。これからが楽しみだと思います。
3日間お疲れ様でした。改めてステップボーンのテクニックとさゆりさんのすごさに感動しました。 IBS に着付けをさせてもらえたことに感謝いたします。ありがとうございました。まあ美容をやってる人ってやっぱり新しいものを求めてるなって本当に思って、安いやつも決まったし、これを元に頑張ります。ありがとうございました。
And I got all this drink poured up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave with you and your friends. Yeah, gonna leave with you and your friends. I got all these chains poured up, and I got all this drink poured up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave with you and your friends. Yeah, gonna leave with you and your friends. Whoa, yeah, you and your friends. Up in my car, rolling up J's, flying with the stars. Don't gotta ask the price, cause you already know. Watch full of ice, no light, it still glows. You and your friends, me and my dogs. Left your nigga to be with my squad. He talk a lot of shit, but he ain't really on. He hit it too soft, but me I go hard like ooh, baby. When you with me, go crazy. I want you to be my lady, girl. You can bring your girlfriends, I ain't hating. I got all these chains rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave it you and your friends. Yeah, tryna leave it you and your friends. Oh, I'm parked out front in a Range Rover. Coke white so tight, game over. Coupe to the block, bop to the bank. Car full of girls in a blue Mustang. More y'all, caravan. VIP, model in hand, bottle in hand. Wobble again. I make it crack in the back of the Benz. We're cracking a friend. On the highway, just me and Wiz. With a dirty dozen, about to handle this. Was they cousins or was they twins? I love it when they both go all in. Like that, this one and that one. See, he wants the cute one, I want the fat one. Cause she pay what she weigh. I'm looking for a Jennifer Holiday in my life. I got all these chains rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave it you and your friends. Yeah, tryna leave it you and your friends. Whoa, I got all these chains rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave it you and your friends. Yeah, tryna leave it you and your friends. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. I got all these chains rolled up, and I got all this drink rolled up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm tryna leave it you and your friends. Yeah, tryna leave it you and your friends. Oh, I got all these chains rolled up, and I got